Good morning, it's Monday and we're gonna do our hair today. So it was wash day. I did actually have oil in my hair all morning. It's like 12:30 now, so I had my oil in my hair for about 3 hours and I just washed it out using my Wella shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna do my leave-in spray. I'm gonna do some mousse because we're obviously going to blow dry our hair and we're going to style it a little bit. The way that I choose if I use mousse or my thickening serum, if I'm going to do styling like curls or like a blowout look, movement of any kind, anything I want to hold, I use mousse because it's got hold. If I'm just going for volume and I'm not going to really worry about hold, then I will use my thickening serum. All right, we're all dry. And now I'm just going to use my thermal styling brush to kind of smooth and shape everything. And obviously when I mean smooth, I don't mean straighten, because obviously my hair, even just after a regular rough dry, is straight, but just smoothing out that like natural frizziness that you get from blow drying your hair. Unless you have 1A hair, you're gonna have some amount of frizz or texture in your hair once you are finished blow drying. And so even though you might not need to straighten your hair per se, you still might want to smooth it out. Not doing anything fancy, no fancy curling or flipping or anything like that. Literally just smoothing everything and kind of making it look like my hair was maybe finished with a round brush. There we go, all done. Looks great, nice, voluminous, bouncy. Looks like I just got a blowout. It's super fast, it's super easy, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. We're just doing a little dry shampoo and a claw clip today because we washed my hair yesterday. It's looking all right. I did need to sleep with my satin cap. I need to get myself a couple so I can just like leave them beside my bed. Because if I can't find them at night, I just say screw it and I go to bed without wearing one. The problem is when I don't wear one, my ends get all frizzy and it doesn't look as nice to leave my hair down the next day. If I wear one, then my ends aren't really frizzy and I can wear my hair down. I'm gonna try and do like a low claw clip ponytail kind of thing. All right, there we go. Hair's all done for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday. We're just gonna do a messy bun today. Something simple. Just a tiny bit of dry shampoo. The hair's actually not looking super greasy. right. Quick, simple, easy, just a messy bun for today. And tomorrow I will wash my hair and I'll see you then. Good morning. I was going to wash my hair today. I really should wash my hair today, but I slept in and I have literally 1 minute to do my hair, so the only thing I can do is put it up in a bun or a ponytail. Since we did a bun yesterday, I'm gonna go for a ponytail today. At least it's not gonna look terrible. There's still dry shampoo in it from yesterday. I'm not adding any more dry shampoo because I don't need to, and I don't add it if I don't need to. Get it up in a nice high ponytail using my seamless nylon hair ties that don't destroy my hair. Use a little bit of smooth stick here to keep back those baby hairs. Pull out the base just a little. And there it is. That's all I can do. Gotta get my kids to school, start working, no time for anything else. Good morning. It is Friday and it was finally hair wash day. Hold on. I swear, I am wearing clothes. It looks like I'm naked. There we go. All right, so I washed my hair. I did a clarifying shampoo, the Pantene Volume, and then I also used my Wella Ultimate Repair leave-in now, and then we're just gonna rough dry because I might go out later, I'm not sure, and I'll style my hair then if I do, but we're just gonna dry it for now. There we go, all dry. I completely forgot to put any sort of volumizing product in my hair today, and you can see, if you watch my videos, you know what my hair usually looks like after a rough dry, and it's a lot flatter. Makes a big difference putting in those volumizing products. So looks like I'm gonna have flat hair today, but that's okay. If I decide I want to go out and I want a little volume, I'll put some dry volumizing powder in and that will fluff it up. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy my soft, fluffy hair, even though it's not really voluminous. A little bit because I just blow dried it, but literally within 10 minutes, it is gonna be flat. So thank you so much for watching this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed another week of hair vlogs. Hit that notification bell because I post one of these vlogs of me doing my hair every day, every single week, plus 2 other videos talking about hair or showing you styles, teaching you about products, whatever it is you guys want to see. I try to film for you here on my channel. So I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.